to Gordon Guitar. We have David here with a song called Worthless. It's a great song, not worthless in any mean, but yeah, this one is very easy. We have only 3 chords and 1 chord progression that goes through the entire song, so let's dive into this one. We don't need any capo for this, so let's look at the 3 chords we need. First, we have C, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have A minor next, that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then finally E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, great. So let's take a look at the strumming pattern. We need to divide this into 2 parts, okay? And cause the first 2 chords will split on 1 full strumming round, and then the final chord will go with a full round. So that's the reason. We can look at the C here. That's the first chord. And for that C, you will play the part 1. That goes down, 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 up. So. Down, 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 up. Alright, that's the first part, and then you switch to A minor. Very easy there. You just take your ring finger and put it under your middle finger. Everything else is the same there, so just this movement. So for A minor, you're gonna play the part 2. It will be up, down, down, down. So up, down, down, down. Alright, so that's the part 2. And then you finally play the E minor for 1 full round. That means both parts. So down, 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 up, down, down, down. Alright, so everything now will be C part 1, A minor part 2, and then E minor 1 full round. And that is what's going on here in this song. I'm gonna give you a couple rounds of this. First one a little bit slower, and then one in standard tempo. So let's go. And just one technique stuff there. I like to mute after the first part, after the down up. So after the C here. So I mute it. I put my finger on top of the strings, my little ring finger, or sorry, a little pinky there, or my strumming hand. I just lean it on top of the hand, just to make it clear that we switch chords and we don't have too many strings or notes ringing out there. So we wanna mute this if you can. So like this. And also after part 2, it's okay to try to mute there if you have time to. This is just some extra. Otherwise, this is what's going on. C, A minor, and E minor. Very easy. David, Worthless. So thanks for watching, guys. And if you enjoyed this, please thumb up. I really appreciate all your support, guys. So thank you so much for your help. And till next time, play tuned.